Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to elevate your rice cooking game and much more. We're talking about the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker, specifically the CR-0632F model, a 6-cup uncooked, 12-cup cooked capacity marvel. This isn't just another rice cooker. CUCKOO has been a household name in Korea for over 40 years, renowned for their top-tier quality and integrity in appliance manufacturing. This model aims to bring that trusted expertise into your home, offering a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design. Let's start with the heart of any good rice cooker, its cooking capabilities. The CR-0632F boasts 9 multifunctional options. This is where the Micom and fuzzy logic technologies really shine. Fuzzy logic, for those unfamiliar, is essentially an artificial intelligence system that can adapt to varying conditions. In this rice cooker, it means the machine intelligently adjusts cooking time and temperature based on the type and quantity of rice, ensuring a consistently perfect cook every single time. The menu options are quite extensive for a cooker of this size. You get presets for white rice, of course, but also for GABA rice, which is known for its health benefits. There's also a multigrain or brown rice setting, catering to those who prefer a healthier whole grain option. Beyond just rice, this cooker can handle porridge, making it a versatile breakfast companion. It also includes a slow cook function, a reheat option to bring leftovers back to life, and a general multi-cook setting for other culinary experiments. This versatility means this one appliance can replace a few others in your kitchen. Capacity is always a key consideration. The 6-cup uncooked capacity translates to about 12 cups of cooked rice. This is a sweet spot for many households. It's generous enough to serve a family, even for slightly larger meals or when entertaining guests, without being overwhelmingly large for everyday use. It's positioned as an ideal kitchen staple, suitable from small family dinners to those exciting housewarming parties where you want to impress with perfectly cooked rice. Ease of use is paramount, and CUCKOO seems to have put a lot of thought into this. The digital controls are designed to be intuitive, and the LCD display provides clear information at a glance. You can easily select your desired menu option and set timers. Speaking of timers, the delay timer is a fantastic feature. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly cooked rice, or coming home after a long day to a warm, ready meal. You can set it in advance, and the cooker will do the rest. And of course, the keep warm setting ensures your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature without drying out or overcooking. When it comes to build quality and convenience, the CR-0632F continues to impress. The inner pot is non-stick, which is a huge win for both cooking and cleaning. No more scraping stubborn rice off the bottom. It also comes with a rice measuring cup, which is essential for getting the right rice-to-water ratio. A detachable inner lid is a thoughtful addition, making it super easy to remove and clean after cooking, preventing any buildup. And for those who tend to add a little too much water, there's an excess water drainage tray, a small but significant feature that prevents mess and helps maintain the cooker's longevity. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of the CUCKOO CR-0632F. On the pro side, the fuzzy logic technology is a major selling point, promising consistently perfect rice across different types and quantities. The 9 multifunctional options offer incredible versatility, allowing you to cook more than just rice. The capacity is ideal for most families, and the delay timer and keep warm functions add significant convenience to meal planning. The premium grade quality, including the durable non-stick inner pot and easy-to-clean components, makes it a pleasure to use and maintain. And let's not forget the reputation of CUCKOO as a trusted brand with extensive experience. However, no product is perfect. One potential con is that for very small households, the 6-cup uncooked capacity might still be more than needed, although the versatility in cooking other dishes does mitigate this somewhat. While the digital controls are user-friendly, some users might still prefer a simpler, knob-based interface. Also, as with many advanced appliances, the initial learning curve for exploring all the functions might take a little time. Finally, While the non-stick pot is excellent, like all non-stick surfaces, it will require careful handling to maintain its longevity. In conclusion, the CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker CR-0632F is a robust and versatile kitchen appliance that delivers on its promise of perfectly cooked rice and much more. Its intelligent fuzzy logic technology, wide range of cooking options, and user-friendly design make it a worthy addition to any modern kitchen. If you're looking to upgrade your rice cooking experience or simply want a reliable, multifunctional cooker from a reputable brand, this CUCKOO model is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.